During the machining production process, in the G00 rapid feed state, there are errors in the workpiece size and origin settings. In G010 to 03 interpolation state, the parameters of the tool or grinding wheel are entered incorrectly. G54, G59 workpiece coordinate system setting error, or the machine origin may be reset during the machining process. It is highly likely to cause accidental collisions with CNC machine tools. Collision of machine tools can result in minor tool damage and severe damage to critical components such as spindles and milling heads, causing loss of machine tool accuracy, damage and scrapping of workpieces, and prolonged downtime due to malfunctions affecting production efficiency. SIGER Data TCS Collision Protection System. It is a digital product that monitors the spindle machining status in real time and automatically analyzes and processes it. Real-time monitoring of spindle machining status through vibration sensors. In case of accidental collision of the machine tool, it can promptly sound an alarm and respond while completing the machine tool shutdown operation to prevent greater damage to the machine tool. TCS consists of 5 modules. Collecting spindle vibration signals based on vibration sensors, real-time monitoring and calculation of spindle machining status based on the lower computer, and real-time presentation of spindle vibration status. When the machine tool collides, the 3 color lights will sound an alarm and simultaneously stop the machine tool. To avoid damage to the machine tool and products, TCS can support simultaneous monitoring of multiple axes with highly integrated hardware that can be conveniently integrated into the electrical facility module of machine tools, quickly deploy, validate, and use within 3 hours. Based on the normal processing data on site, the system can automatically construct a model, set the upper threshold based on the distribution pattern of machine tool vibration points. Automatic alarm trigger when the threshold is reached, resulting in shutdown. The SIGER Data Machine Collision Protection System can monitor the spindle vibration in real time, automatically alarm for abnormal machine collision, and control the machine shutdown operation to prevent collision accidents from causing greater damage to the machine tool. Based on the service experience of hundreds of precision machining enterprises, SIGER Data TCS Collision Protection System is suitable for various equipment types, such as machining center lathes, turning and milling composite machine tools, grinders, transmission devices, and robotic arms. Widely used in various unmanned monitoring scenarios of machine tools. Realize worry-free production management for precision machining. Help users build future factories. Welcome to Inquire by Phone. We will wholeheartedly. SIGER Data focuses on the precision machining industry. Based on data science, make industry better.